English. It's a computer. Very good. What is this? A clock? It's a clock. Perfect. Wow, you know so many English words. It's a clock. And what would this be? Who knows? Yes? A rat. I think it's a hamster. What do you think? Is it a rat or a hamster? What do you think? A hamster. Yeah? Okay. Well, it looks like a rat too. And what is this? Wow, a dog. This is a dog. What sound does a dog make? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Right? Okay, good. Wow, I think we'll be able to find this one. This is a new one, I think. What is this? Yes? It's a crab. Perfect. It's a crab. Okay. Who can find me a glass of orange juice? Who knows who can find the glass of orange juice? Can you find the glass of orange juice? Can you find it? Did you give it to me? Thank you very much. Well done.